Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at some Capri Tools 3/8 drive deep and shallow sockets. These ones are going to be in millimeters, and that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. First off, I'd like to thank Capri Tools for sending this out to the channel. They sent a bunch of tools out for us to try out and to test out, and they wanted us to give our honest opinions on it. In this video, what we're going to do is unbox these, tell you some of the features about it, and just do a quick little test with them, and then in the future, I'm going to start using these, and then give you a follow-up video in the future with these. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's open these up real quick and see what all comes in here. Very excited to see what all comes with. These look like they are some very quality tools, so I'm very excited to see what we got in here. Let's open it up. We got some paper. Now, right on top we have our aluminum tray, and that is in bubble wrap for protection. Wrapped very nicely for shipping. Really like that. And then we have our actual sockets right here, and that's everything in the package. Flip this around so we can look at it. Very nice setup for boxing, for shipping. Really like it. Let's go over some of the features. This Capri socket set comes with both shallow and deep well sockets. They are ranging from 8 to 22 millimeter in this metric set. They're made from premium chrome vanadium steel, which is tempered with their proprietary heat treatment. They have the max chrome coating for superior protection and corrosion resistance. They have a 6-point wave drive which prevents rounding. They have large size stamping so you can identify them real easy. And it comes with a Wesleyan billet aluminum tray. Now in the millimeters you can get them in blue as I have here, or purple, and in the standard you can get red or black. And these come with Capri Tools lifetime warranty. Now you can see right here, these are 8 through 22 like I said, and there is no skips in it. That's one reason why I wanted this set. And the other reason why I want it, you can see right here, it is made in Taiwan. They are not made of Chinesium. Now I wanted to take a look at these real quick, and I want to tell you what, the finish on these are very nice, except for my fingerprints that are getting all over them. I went with the 6-point wave drive because I didn't want to take the chance of stripping anything out, and 6-point with a wave drive is the way to go. They're least likely to strip. And then of course we've got this tray here. Very nicely done on that. I'm just gonna airplane it by here real quick for you guys to take a look at that. Proudly made in the USA. Gotta love that. Very nice about that. Everything looks really good on this. So what I'm going to do real quick is get this all set up, and I'll be back. Now you can see how they look on the tray, and they look absolutely great on here. The one thing I like, they give you 4 extra spaces down here on the end. I'm going to put some of the swivels and adapters, stuff like that right there on it when I get done with this. But what I want to do is I want to do a real quick test with one of these sockets just to see how it is. Now what I want to do real quick is just try it out, and I figured what better place to do it than the tool chest that this is going to be going in. So what I'm going to do is I got the 13 millimeter on here right now, and I'm just going to loosen up this bolt, and I actually put these on with a 1/4 inch impact. If you guys follow the channel, you know I have the assembly video of this. I'll put it up above. So I'm just going to see how good it grips. Seemed like it was just fine on that. Loosening it up pretty good. So now let's swap it over. Tighten it back up. See how good of a grip it gets on that. Seems to be pretty good. Right there we're getting nice and tight. And we got it snug. And I just wanted to do one quick demonstration in this video for you guys. What I'm going to do, like I said before, I'm going to start using these on everything I work on to give a follow-up video on these. Like I said in the video when I built this tool chest, that every time I do a video on a tool that's going to go in here, we're going to place it in here until this thing is full. So now we're going to take these Capri sockets, and for right now, I'm just going to set them up against here, and we're going to leave them like that, and then as we fill it up, if I need to move them around, I will. So what's my first impressions of these Capri sockets here? I think they look great. and hopefully they work great. Like I said, I'm going to start using these, and these are going to be the sockets I use from now on, and I'm going to be testing these out, and then I'll give you guys follow-up videos on it. So once again, I'd like to thank Capri Tools for setting these out for us to try out. So as always, don't forget to check the links down below. I got some affiliate accounts down there that help out the channel for me to buy tools to do videos with. Other ones got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.